work done. Next, we are going to see about work done by a constant force. So you know that formula, work done is equal to F R cos theta. Here force is constant and displacement and theta is also variable. Okay, so force is constant. So this displays one object is there. That object you can giving that force. Okay, so that object is moving from this place to this place. There is the initial position Ri and the final position Rf. Okay, they understand. So here variable is force only. Then cos theta, theta value and force is also a constant. So dw is equal to f cos theta into dr. Okay, so why I can write this formula like this means, here if you change that displacement, so what happened, the work is also changed. Okay, so 1 kilometer 1 joule work done is done means, okay, suppose 5 kilometer means you can giving that 5 joules amount of work done. Okay, do you understand? If you change the displacement, the work done is also changing. So only I can write this formula like this. dw is equal to f cos theta into dr. Okay, so totally how much work is done from initial position to final position, we want to find out. So how to find out? You can just integrate this equation. The integral of dw is equal to integral of f cos theta into dr. Okay, what is the variable here? This is the displacement is the variable. So from initial position I2 and final position F. Okay, do you understand? So dw work is changes. Okay, so dw integral of dx. What is that formula? X. Okay, so you can apply that. Integral of dw is equal to w and integral of Ri2 Rf f cos theta into dr. F cos theta is a constant one, so just you can take them out in the constant term integral. So f cos theta integral of Ri2 Rf into dr. Okay, now integral of dr are the same only. Integral of dx is equal to x, so integral of dr is equal to r. Then w is equal to f cos theta r of Ri2 or f. Okay, so w is equal to f cos theta into Rf minus Ri. W is equal to f cos theta into Rf minus I. So in this case we are going that the work is changing from final position to initial position. Okay, so this is the work done by a constant force. Now you can draw a one graph. This graph is between displacement and f cos theta. Okay, so this is the initial position Ri and this one final position Rf. So when the initial position, what the force will be there, are the same forces there in final position. So here the force is constant. This is the force is constant. Okay, so that's where position alone changing from Ri to Rf. Do you understand, man? So this area gives the this area of under the graph is given that work done is between the Ri and Rf. Okay, do you understand? So this is the work done by a constant force.